Our blue planet is home to approximately 9 million unique living organisms. The sum of all these species of lives, their genes, the ecosystems they make up, and their interactions is called biodiversity. From the tiniest virus, bacteria, to plants, fungi, and animals, biodiversity is the fuel that keeps our planet beautiful, sustainable, nourishing, and powerful. If that all sounds too abstract, here are some common examples of why and how biodiversity matters to us. Without plants, there would be no oxygen, and without bees to pollinate, there would be no fruit or nuts. Without coral reefs and mangrove swamps, coastal residents would lose protections from cyclones and tsunamis. Without tropical tortoises and monkeys, the dense hardwood trees that are most effective in removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere can't disperse their seeds and thrive. Not to mention healthy and vibrant ecosystems also provide water, food, medicines, clothes, fuel, shelter, and energy. On land, the greatest biodiversity hotspots cluster near the equator. The tropical forest ecosystems cover less than 10% of the Earth's surface, but contain about 90% of the world's species. For example, in 15 hectares of Borneo forest in Southeast Asia, there are 700 species of trees, the same number as the whole of North America. If we compare biodiversity as a net, the diversity on genetic, species, and ecosystem level are the threads that wave into the net. The more threads that are intertwined, the stronger the net is. The Convention on Biological Diversity was drafted and signed in 1992 to develop international strategies for the conservation and sustainable use of biodiversity. The Conference of the Parties is held biannually, starting from 2000. This year, the COP15 was scheduled in October in China's Kunming, but was forced to reschedule due to the pandemic COVID-19. Many researchers think that it is humanity's destruction of biodiversity that creates the conditions for new viruses and diseases, such as COVID-19, that arise with profound health and economic impacts in rich and developing countries alike. The task of preserving biodiversity is more urgent than ever. Despite all our technological advances, we are completely dependent on healthy and vibrant ecosystems for everything we live on. Our solutions are in nature. The theme for 2020 International Day for Biological Diversity emphasizes hope, solidarity, and the importance of working together to build a future of life in harmony with nature.